Kubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka net footage ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakir dob ying jongpi
ka komiti balathong da ka yeng Bishar Meghalaya High Court haka arphotere gubna naitung arajar arpuwei kala hiar jurip yakikse bilat ki balapalat karta bashispa asnem ki badang yang kensereng hadu menta menne kum ki dengba hasanda jong ka ketemsa ki sipai sun balatip kum ke Eastern Air Command kabadan hasilenter jong ka surok ba kathan operasyon ka jingjurip jong kani ka komiti gini kikse bilat kalong bantok kit banya hadu katno teli kikse bilan bat ki wei pat ki jaj deng ki don hasilenter jong kani ka surok ba shwa ba kani ka komiti kan pha pat ya ka kaipon sha ka yeng Bishar High Court ka ban sa shong Bishar ha ka arpu artari ku banai naitung arajar arpu wei kumban supan kan mau hang ne ka jingthung jong ka yeng Bishar ye kani ka komiti kalong hadin bakaladon ka jingmudui de ka public interest litigation persha ye ka jing pengan ye ki deng ba dangshan ki badan hasilenter jong kani ka surok ba halor ka jingthmu jong ka sarkar jilla banshna ye ka surok ba ka ba penyeso nado ka jingking sirpi Shillong shadow ka snong tamabil ka badan ha ka snong dauki jong ka West Chantia Hills district
carried out the physical verification or inspection of the site, and they took stock of the situation as to how to save the historic trees, and the team or the committee is hopeful that they will be able to save the historic trees. A report to this effect will be placed before the High Court. This case is coming up for hearing day after tomorrow, so hopefully by day after tomorrow we will be able to place our report before the Honorable High Court.